When are you gonna do it that we can plan to rent a truck for one day?
I mean, after Thanksgiving, obviously.
Are you sure it's me? Another woman?
Huh?
Jack it up.
Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. It's Monday. Today is Monday, but Tommy and I were not going to our house. He's with me. He's supposedly working today, but he's not. And we're just gonna go look around for a car. Just look around and test drive.
Point and test drive it. Maybe you test drive it. You decide, hey, I don't want one of these. I'll make
Okay. So anyway, guys, happy Monday, and I am. What is it? Thanksgiving next week. Probably this vlog you'll see it next week. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. If you see this vlog, happy belated or happy advance. Happy advance. I'm just like done upstairs, and now my husband is going to this shower. And yeah, I just take care of my face and take care of my hair. Straighten my hair because I want this straight. It's been a while, and yeah, I like it straight. And when I straighten my hair, it's kind of longer, obviously, because you know it's straight. But anyway, guys, I am just cleaning up here because every time Tommy put a paper towel in here in the table, Roxy always took it and ripped it apart all the time. The lipstick that I'm wearing right now is the Freakin' Frock Color Pop, and yeah, this is what I'm wearing right now. And the light is so bright, so the window's open. So anyway, so this is what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing simple thing. And the eyebrow, the one that I've been liking a lot, that I've been using since I got it, it's the Ofra. Somebody called, hold on, who is this? Morgan Stanley.
Call from Morgan Stanley.
Why am I calling again? We're going to look for a Subaru car for a test drive, because you know, just looking for a car, that what kind of car we're getting, but it's just a test drive. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. And then later on we're gonna go grocery and go to CVS later. And what else? That's it. That's really it. What are you staring for? Where is Roxy? Where is Roxy? Oh, you're big again. You're bigging again. Biggie, biggie, big, big, biggie, biggie, big. Biggie, biggie, big, big, biggie, biggie, big. Big, 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 biggie, biggie, big. Rukti miti, rukti, ruka, biggie, biggie, big. Another biggie, biggie, another biggie, big. Another biggie. Hi guys. What, somebody called me? Is that mom?
Hello?
Tom.
Roger. What's going on? She doesn't like this one.
We're looking for a hairspray. Naghanap kami ng hairspray, guys, para sa ina niya. Pero
And this is the one she doesn't want.
no, you don't get that. I heard you said you get it for her.
I didn't get it for her.
I know that's what she told you.
She don't like it because the nozzle got clogged up. You know, it has nothing to do with the spray. That'll happen with anything. I don't know. You tell me.
Yeah. Is that a hairspray? Yeah.
For that one? This one's L'Oreal, man.
Try the Pantene. Pantene.
This is a 48-hour hold on. This one.
CVS right now, guys. Dito kami sa CVS. Kuha lang ako ng cart guys para sudlan.
These are the ultimate.
Huh?
These are the ultimate. I only have one.
Let's see if I can find a book. Bookie. No, this is not what I want. I'm looking for a planner. Gosh. Wala man silang planner ay. O ano to? Or maybe this one. Let me see this guys. I kinda like this. Oh, I like this. I probably get this $6. Black and white. Meron naman dito iba-iba eh. Ito, hold on. Ito, magkano to? Okay, kunin ko na to guys. Yung black and white na ito. Itong kukunin ko. Hey, I found it. Hi guys, we just came out from the burrito area.
Taco Bell.
Taco Bells. My husband loved Taco Bells. He gave me choices. He's lucky I said Taco Bells because we're just talking last night about Taco Bells. He loves his tacos. Every time I talk to you guys, I always say I'm hungry.
What are you saying?
When I was jealous, crazy. That was long time ago. That was a few years of our being together.
It still creeps back up.
Oops! But you helped me, right?
I try. When you were crazy jealous, no matter what I said to you, it didn't make a difference. You just
Yeah, but I ask you all the time to, you know, to
call you constantly, you call me constantly.
No, I ask you always, like, you know, to tell me you love me, to, you know, to for security.
I know. It was like every 5 minutes, and that didn't really help much. One day you'd sit there and say, "Oh, I know you really love me," and the next day you say, "You don't love me." And then you call and I say, "I can't talk now because I'm working." And
What's up?
You don't love me. Can't talk now. I'm with a customer. Oh, you don't love me. Ambulance. Emergency people first. Because they might have somebody in there who's dying. So I think they'll let them go first. Maybe they can get down at the same time.
Yeah. Ambulance. Okay, pag nandito ka sa US, you have to always let the firefighter, ambulance, cops, when there is a siren. If the siren is on, you always let the ambulance, go first. And then they're not even in a hurry. They just like turn it on.
No, they're in a hurry, but around this curve, they don't. Yeah, you got somebody strapped in with needles grabbing them, throwing back and forth against the truck.
So, yeah. Iwan ko sa Pilipinas ha. Parang mga iwan ko dyan sa Pilipinas, matagal na hindi ko na alam. I think they let them know. They let the ambulance or anybody go in the Philippines.
You think so?
I think so too.
I mean, I'll find what it was about to yours.
Why don't you turn here, hon?
Let's go straight like this.
So,
Let me go.
wait ako. Oh my God, why is this? There is a container here.
That's a salad.
That's the one salad I have? Or is this in the house?
Which one do you want? Do you want the shredded chicken one?
Yeah, but there's small ikadilla.
That's what it is, the shredded chicken.
Okay.
I guess it is this. I don't know if you...
That's very
Very small.
tiny. Okay, we're gonna have this ikadilla. I'm gonna put the camera on me because my husband is kinda shy when it comes to that.
Yeah, have your hot sauce.
No, I don't want it.
You mean you don't want it?
I'll do it in the house. I don't wanna keep crying here.
It doesn't look like much of anything. Honestly.
You don't wanna eat anything? Eat, Han. Do not na camera. It's very tiny. What's in here?
I don't know, that's what you asked for. That's why I got 4 of them instead of 1 of them. Because I knew they would be tiny.
It's spicy already.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Mercedes, Range Rover. Taco Bell's is really good. Guys, let me know if you have Taco Bell's in the Philippines. I'm having kadya. Saka ha? Kahoy ko na?
Quesadilla.
Sakadilla, sikadilla. It's really good. Hi guys, we're here. My husband is here. He needs a haircut.
Pretty badly.
He needs a haircut. We're not driving right now. We're waiting for Grandma to get up. Ana ito sakadilla.
Quesadilla.
Oh, quesadilla. Guys, Tammy and I were planning to... Where is it there?
Commit.
Hey, Han. Han, that's not fun.
Oh, sorry. My mistake. I thought that's what we were planning.
We're planning to the Christmas. I think I told you Christmas is gonna be in the house, and now you have to think, when are you gonna take a day off for renting a truck that we can bring some, you know, table.
Well, now they're gonna give me days off because now that they laid off that girl to keep her medical benefits. I intend to.
So when are you gonna do it that we can plan to rent a truck for one day?
I mean, after Thanksgiving, obviously.
After Thanksgiving. Are you gonna write it down over there or not written down yet? Not yet?
No.
Not yet. So you should write it down there. Oh, I have. What is this red, hun? What is this?
The candy you spit in there?
I spit?
The hot tamale I gave you?
Are you sure it's me? Another woman.
Huh? Hun? When you were driving and I put one in there?
I told you to put it out.
What, throw it in the street? I can't wait.
It's just a candy.
No, you put it in here. You spit it into here. You want to throw the napkin in the street? Your candy that you spit into there.
Oh my god. Spitter.
There's no jealousy involved here, guys. So you know, because she just told you that. She's not like that no more.
No,
Right. Why is this red? What is this red? What is this?
I am.
Then when I remind her, she still don't remember.
I am a jealous freak to the high level. I was. And now I don't. I'm still jealous because you know what? I love my husband, so I still have a jealousy on me, but not really high level like freaking.
Still high level, just not craziness.
No craziness anymore. But he understands me, and he always, every time I ask him, Han, give me a security, tell me you love me.
And every time I tell her I love her, she goes, "You didn't say it."
I said.
I just said it 4 times. You didn't say it.
Yeah, but he always say it. You know what? This is
I can whisper two houses away. She'll hear it. But I'm talking to her, and that she don't hear. She blocks it out.
Yeah, but this is what. But this is what I always don't forget about him. I know I'm crazy when it comes to that because I don't want somebody to take my man. You know, I trust him. I don't trust women or people that can flirty with him.
I don't know where I'm going. I'm on my way. Taking my time, but I don't know where.
Goodbye, in rare form today.
Queen of Corona. Meet me and Julio down by the schoolyard. See, you knew it was going somewhere. We had to go somewhere. Hon?
Watch this guy backing up.
Oh, God. See, then I want to do nothing because she got a camera pointing at me.
Julio, July.
And the wind blows them all over everybody else's yard.
Yeah, there's fall already, guys. It's not winter yet. It's nice today.
When we were kids, we would pick all these leaves up, put them in bags.
Put in bags and play with it?
Well, no, we'd leave them in a pile and play in a pile until people would throw broken glass and crap in the pile. But then you dive into a pile of leaves. But they put them in bags so they'd be picked up and they wouldn't blow all over everywhere.
Yeah.
But now people don't want to spend the money on the bags. They just pile them on the street until the city comes. But the city picks them up late.
Yeah, they
Right
do.
before the snow. But in the meantime, you get one breeze raking the same leaves over and over and over again.
Yeah.
And people who actually get rid of their leaves, like that guy across the street,
Yeah.
but his leaves are going to blow into his yard. That's just not right. I mean, he paid to have the leaves removed, and then somebody else's leaves are going to get thrown into his yard.
That's the only problem, because I always remember every winter when the people doesn't pick up those leaves and then it's snow, it's so ugly. It's supposedly be nice, pretty and white, but it end up like, especially if like the 3 days after, right? Did you notice that?
Oh, the stuff is melting. It's nasty, and cars drive through
No,
it,
cars
and
driving.
And muddy and
Yeah.
slushy and crappy.
Guys, when you're marrying, I just want to talk to other Filipina. If you want to marry American,
Make sure he's educated.
no, they make fun of you like crazy.
And
if you are short,
oh yeah,
they will tell you, wow, you're short, you can't reach everything. You have to ask, you have to ask your husband all the time, and every time you ask your husband to take something in the shelf.
Ford Subaru on the right.
Where do we park here? Sales entrance. Oh, look at that.
Oh my goodness, there's no parking over here. Oh, it won't fit over here, hon.
It won't. Son of a gun, I hate when that happens.
Yeah, you're gonna hit that Subaru thing.
Maybe a nice place to park around here would be a good idea.
Yeah.
Wow, this is tough.
Yeah, guys, I will see you later. We're here in the car dealer now. We're here in the parking lot. There is a lot of cars in here, and we're just like looking around because this is all second-hand over here.
No, they're not.
Huh?
No, it's not.
They're not?
No.
Okay, so look at the price, guys. Annual fuel cost. You can open this. It's nice. It's really nice. I kind of like it. How about this this one? The Forester, hun. Yeah, this one. Can you open it?
32 on the highway.
It's big. This is really comfortable for you to sit on. Han, Han, Han.
I
Oh my
want to see what kind of pickup it has.
Okay.
That's like a key factor here.
Oh my lord. So we're can you just drive a minute back? Oh my lord. Oh, this thing, guys, we're doing a tasting drive, whatever. But look at how nice is this, guys. How nice is this car. And I don't know if my husband will be comfortable with this, but you know, so this is a legacy Subaru, and it's very nicey. Yeah, it's gonna be, it's not now we can tell, but the now I don't know what
Why is this glow down here? I can barely tell.
Oh, it's a touchscreen. Watch out, hon, because this is not a good. We're on the way home, guys, and the good thing about Subaru is all-wheel drive, and it's really good for snow. And we're living in the snow country, plus we're going up there. It's gonna be snow. Well, it's gonna be the same thing, but it's no more, right, hon? Upstate. Yeah, my camera is blinking, so I probably see you in the house, guys. We got home a while ago, and what I did first is I was making some salad. And what else did I make? I'm gonna make steak. They're outside. Hold on. Roxy, I told you to shut up. I told you to shut up. Huh? You listening? Time for me to feed them because hindi pa sila kumakain, kaya tahol ng tahol. Ano to? Oh? Malinis na ito. I think. Ito, niluluto ko. Steak. This is mine. Stop it. This is mine. And ang sa kanila nandun pa. Hindi pa niluluto. Kasi, stop it. Kasi ano, gusto ko aking lutong. This is all donation. This one, I'm gonna bring this to the other house. That's an exercise machine. And that's garbage. What are you guys doing? I'm gonna... Hi guys, good evening. Yeah, good evening. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. I'm just going to wash my face. Hi. Hi, Abs. Hi, did you see yourself? Did you see yourself? You're so clean. I love you. Tulog na guys. Tulog na kayo guys. Paggabi na sa inyo, matulog na kayo. Sabay tayo matulog. So, matulog na kami guys. Salamat sa panonood. Yes, salamat sa panonood. And kita-kits tayo bukas, okay? Or the next day sa vlog ko. Makati yung ano, kilikili ko kasi tumutubo na yung buhok. Makati na. Parang masakit na Makati. Parang masarap na Makati na Makati. Huh?
Channel 9?
Channel 9?
Yeah, I want to see the end of that.
Why? What's the show?
STiLL.
Okay, say good night first.
Good night first.
It's in the top here. Good night first. That's what he said.
Say good night first. He said exactly what he told me. Say good night first. I said good night first.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, guys.
Good night, guys.
Good night, honey.
Good night.
Oh my God. I really feel bad with this, the baby.